Dancing is not only a popular and enjoyable form of creative expression but also a highly beneficial physical activity that can positively impact various aspects of your body and overall well-being. Here are some of the key benefits of dancing. 1. Cardiovascular health. Dancing is a form of aerobic exercise that can help improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and improving circulation. Regular dancing can contribute to a stronger heart and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. 2. Muscle strength and endurance. Different dance styles involve various muscle groups, leading to improved muscle strength, endurance, and overall toning. Engaging in dance routines can help build and tone muscles in the legs, core, arms, and back. 3. Flexibility and balance. Dancing often involves stretching and dynamic movements that can enhance flexibility and range of motion. Regular practice can also improve balance and coordination, leading to better body control and reduced risk of falls or injuries. 4. Weight management. Dancing is a form of physical activity that can aid in weight management and contribute to overall weight loss when combined with a balanced diet. It can help burn calories and increase metabolic rate, leading to improved body composition. 5. Stress reduction and mental well-being. Engaging in dance can be a great way to relieve stress and promote mental well-being. The combination of music, movement, and social interaction can help reduce anxiety, elevate mood, and increase overall happiness and relaxation. 6. Improved posture and body awareness. Regular dance practice can help improve posture and body awareness, leading to better alignment and reduced risk of musculoskeletal issues. It encourages participants to develop a greater understanding of their body's movements and positions. 7. Social interaction and confidence. Dancing often involves group or partner activities, providing opportunities for social interaction and fostering a sense of community. Participating in dance classes or group sessions can also boost self-esteem and confidence. Dancing is a versatile and enjoyable activity that can be tailored to different fitness levels and preferences. Whether it's in the form of a structured dance class, social dancing, or simply dancing at home, it can offer numerous physical and mental health benefits. Dance can lead to 1. Better brain health. A study done by the New England Journal of Medicine found that dancing can boost your memory and even prevent the onset of dementia. Other studies have also found that aerobic dance exercises can reverse volume loss in the part of the brain that controls memory, the hippocampus, which tends to shrink during late adulthood. Taking the time to remember steps and the changing movements of a dance is also a great way to challenge your brain, no matter your age. Scientists have found cognitive skills such as planning and organizing also improve with an exercise like dance. 2. Improved flexibility. The movements associated with dance can increase flexibility and reduce stiffness. Don't overexert yourself though, even the simple